welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I have a very special package from my lovely friend Ellie. You can follow her here. Plugging all her bits. But we have become friends over YouTube. She started following me, reached out to me, we've started talking. We're so, I feel like we're so close. I love you, Ellie. You're amazing, you're a beautiful lady. And I'm just like, oh my god, she wanted to send me a package, so I'm going to be sending her a package back. I'm so excited. But this is what she sent me. And also, Ellie, what the fuck kind of box is this? It doesn't open from the sides. This is the only bit I can find, but it doesn't open. I'm like, how does this box freaking open? So I think it just opens from the top. We'll see, we'll see. Alright, so I guess I'm opening it from this end. So, oh my goodness, okay, there's a lot in here. Alright, so this is how I'm opening it. So what is, I'm just cracking. She decided to send me a whole bunch of stuff. She was like, she's from the US, and she was like, please, can I send you some stuff? I was like, yeah, hello, and this is the stuff she sent me, and oh my god, this is, what the fuck is even, oh my god, okay, is this a letter? A letter to me? Okay, this must be a letter to me. Oh my god, that stuff, we'll get back to that. We'll get back to her. Alright, so this is my little letter. It says, thank you. Oh, wow. It's a bloody novel. Alright. Okay, so she's put little notes on each thing. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Your handwriting is so cute. Okay, I'm gonna read this out. Hello, my love. There's probably a few things in the box I forgot to mention. You're also getting another shortly. Okay, so I'm getting another one. Cool. Alright then. I just wanted to say that I think you're an extremely sweet person, and I absolutely had to show love to you. Like my AO, you probably think I have a crush. Oh my god, boo, stop saying. I don't worry, just send back a lock of your hair. I will, bitch, I will. I don't have many girlfriends who are awesome like you, and I hope we can remain in contact. Of course, I love you, girl, and I hope you enjoy. P.S. I'm so sorry for the 5th grade boy handwriting. No, it's cute. It almost looks like Asian writing. I like that. I like those vibes. Alright, all the things. And then I don't want to work into that because it is going into what is in there. So I want it to be a surprise, but I'm really excited. And oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this little bag. Oh my god, it can fit on my keys. I'm like, is there anything hidden in there? Okay. Oh, but the inside of it though is so cute. Okay, so she got me this little Nightmare Before Christmas Jack Skellington. Hello. I'm ready. Alright, so I feel like this is like my little makeup haul, hello. But not even a haul. And oh my god, this is so cute. I love the inside of this too. But oh my god, a little Alvin and the Chipmunks is so cute. A little Disneyland. I so wish I could go to Disneyland, so I'm like, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Oh my god. Oh my god, cute. Look at him. Dobby, you are so cute. That was so, oh my god, I'm gonna have literally all the keychains. This one's a keychain too, so there's my new keys, ho. I'm ready. There's my new keys. Oh my god, I love that. What else is in here? Oh, facial scrubbers. Oh my god, I was legit thinking about getting some of these the other day, so that's freaking awesome. Yay, thank you, Ellie. Okay, and then what do we have? What are these? Facial pads. Oh my god, so it's like a good cleaner. Oh my god, that's so smart. They're so cute too. Oh my god. This stuff's so cool that you can get like over in America. Like here, you can only get 7 things. It's like so annoying. Like, I'd love to be able to get all that thing. Oh my god, yes! Dinosaur stickers. As you guys know, I am obsessed with dinosaurs. Oh my god. This is great. I legit want to put one everywhere. I'm like, where on my mirror can I put my little dinosaur? I'm like, this is the greatest thing ever. This is honestly the greatest thing. Oh my god, I've got to have wee blue. Alright, blue, where are you going? You can go right here, ho. Yes. I love that. Oh my god, that's the coolest thing ever. I love dumb stuff. Well, this isn't dumb, but like, you know, simple things. I'm a simple kind of gal. Alright. Oh my god. Ooh, oil control mask. Hello. That looks so bougie. I've not seen that here. We do have Elf and Kmart here, but obviously not all the things. They're just so cool. Mattifying clay mask helps dry impurities. Ooh, if you guys want reviews or anything like this. I need it because my face looks horrible. Horrible right now. Okay. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is the foundation, the candid one. I've actually been wanting to try this. That's really awesome. Natural beige. Oh, that'll be my color too. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look, I need it. I'm like, I need to open this box and then put it on my freaking face. Like, that's what I freaking needed. Guys, oh my god. Okay. Oh, and then liner and brow cream, medium brown. Yes. Elf. I'm excited. We don't have that Elf product in New Zealand, so that's... Oh. Oh my god. Yes. This is awesome. awesome. Okay. So ointment, diaper rash ointment and skin protectant. I think she got this one for me for my tattoos, which is perfect because I actually got my arm done yesterday and I got all this added to it. It's not a plane, it looks like a plane, but I got all that added, and then I also got my leg done, that bit added. So I'm like, this is perfect. It like arrived just in time. That's awesome. Because yeah, in New Zealand you just got like the panthen, we've got creams and stuff. So oh my god, that's actually really cool that I've got something that'll work really well. Oh my god, yay! Alright, and then this is just telling me about how she got this, this trash can. It's written in here. It says recycling bin. I got this for $1, so I got this at Y Work. I put my dirty brushes in mine and it stays next to my sink. That's really freaking clever. Feels like there's something in it. Oh my god, more keychains. Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh my god, I love them. It reminds me of kind of like the pop design. I really like them too. I think her friend makes these. I'll link them down below if I can find where to make those, where you can buy those I've made. But oh my god, obsessed. I actually love this bin. It's so cute. Like I want to, like, where's all my stuff moved out of the way? Like it would be like perfect, like right there. Yes. All right. Okay. All right, what have we got here? Oh my god, these lashes look lush. Look at them. They're so stunning. I know she mentioned in here lashes. I know you said not to, but these are so awesome. Only $1 also at my work. So, thank you. That's awesome. Alright, and then, oh, there's another pair of lashes. Oh my god. These ones are so pretty. Oh my god, I cannot wait to actually try those. And I love the packaging of these as well. I love that peach color packaging. It's, oh, so pretty. Oh my god. US lashes, hello. Oh, and then I have, is there something in that paper or is it? Oh, yes. So, okay, so it's wrapped in the paper. Oh my god, this highlighter. Why do we not have these e.l.f. things in New Zealand? Hello, e.l.f. Hit New Zealand up. I know you're not watching my video, but I'm ready. Come on. Oh, the contouring palette. Yes. Oh my god. Yes. Yes. Contour me up, hun. Contour me up. Oh, and then, oh, I can use that as a liner brush. Yes. Oh my god, I love using colored liners. This is like literally perfect. Literally. Yes. Oh my god. I'm just tossing it. Blending brush. Yes. Oh my god, crease brush, blending brush. Hello, I'm here. I'm ready. I'm so excited. More Jurassic Park. Oh my god, what the fuck? Yes. Oh my god. I love this. Oh my god. I love it. Look, that's my tattoo. That's my tattoo. This is my tattoo. Bitch. Oh my god, I'm frothing on this. Oh my god, this is great. If you know the way to my heart, dinosaurs is where it's at. Ellie, you've been keeping up, ho. You've been keeping up. Oh my god. Oh, okay. What is, it's my special little rock. It's my special rock. Yes. Look how pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, okay. Alright, what'd she say? I'm gonna so butcher this pronunciation. Black tourmaline. This little rock will protect you from bad or negative spirits or people. Oh my god, because I said I was so scared of demons. So, oh my god, yes. This stone is great at protecting you if you ever go in a haunted place. Bitch. Yes. I like to wear mine every day. I feel like it generally makes my day go by easier. Recently, me and my mum have been feeling like we have mischievous ghosts in our house. So I brought these stones, changed them and charged them, and less things were happening. We felt like a weight was lifted. Well, sorry about the long ass note. To charge, put in salt water overnight and make sure, if you're the one holding it, to not let anyone touch it because it loses charge. But it's okay because you can always recharge it. I already charged this for you and haven't touched it. I hope you like stuff like this. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Oh my god, thank you so much. And it's charged. I'm here. Charge me up. Fill me with the like negative. Come on, get all those bad vibes away. I'm like ready. Oh my god, I wish I had it. I really wish I had this as a necklace. Like I need to find some kind of like, oh my god, it's so pretty with all of like, oh my god, it's so gorgeous. I feel like I really need a chain to like this on. Like how like freaking bougie would that look? Or a little chocolate. Oh my god, I love it. I love this. No, of course I love stuff like that, Ellie. Hello. Look at me. I'm ready. Oh my god, I don't even know where to put that. Reseal her. Like, oh my god, there's so much stuff in here. I can't even like function. Okay. Oh, a collagen face mask of organic hemp oil. Hell yeah. And 50 cents. Hell yeah. yeah. Alright, and then we have, oh, Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. I've been wanting to try this, but it's not in New Zealand. Oh my god. Yes, I'm so freaking excited for that. Yes. Alrighty, so that is all the things that I got. Oh my god, there's so much. I honestly don't even know what. So this is all the things that I got here. Oh my god, there is so much, Ellie. What the hell? And you're sending me something else like, oh my god, stop it. Oh my god, I cannot wait to dip into all these things. There's so many, and oh my god, these little charm keychains. Oh my god, there's so much. This is so thoughtful. Like, oh my god, thank you so much, Ellie. And oh my god, thank you so much. I honestly, I really appreciate you taking the time to actually send me something and putting all this thought and effort into it. I'm just, and the card, I love cards. Cards are my favorite. Like, bitch, I need a note. I am ready. Oh my god. Oh my god, thank you. I love you so much. Oh my god. And hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me open this, seeing my reaction. I don't know if you guys like these types of videos, but I love filming them. So I'm like, it's because if I'm sending something to someone on the other side of the world, I don't know. I'm not there to see when they open it. I want to see their reaction. I want to see. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow Ellie Watermelon Smelly. Go follow her. But oh my god, thank you so much, Ellie. I am, oh my god, obsessed. I am so freaking, oh my god, what the fuck. Oh my god, thank you so much. Okay, so I better go now, but until next time, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Alright, so it was the next day, and the next part of the package has arrived from Ellie, so I thought I would add this into this end of this video, even though I finished the last video. There's like the extra add-on of this, but I just wanted to share what she freaking got me, and I thought I'd put it all into one video, so I'm so excited for this. I can't believe she sent me two freaking, what the hell is this? I can't believe she sent me two packages. What is going on here? What is this? Oh my god, stop it. Yes, oh my god, I love it. Ah! Oh my god, I freaking, guys, as you guys know from the start of this video, I'm obsessed with dinosaurs, so this is freaking awesome. Oh my god, yes! My Trixie Mattel, she is broken in the box, but that is so fine. Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god, I'm so freaking excited. So, legitimately, I've been trying to get, it's stunning, it's beautiful. She is stunning. Oh my god, I have legit been trying to get this Trixie Mattel pop for like a year. And I've got Cartier, and now they can finally be together. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Ellie, for finding this. I cannot believe. Honestly, I'm so freaking happy. I love pops. Like, pop vinyls are freaking awesome, and honestly, I'm so stoked to finally have Trixie Mattel. Yes! It's like an episode of, oh, look. Oh my god, I'm so happy. They look so cute together. Yes! Oh my god. I am so happy. Yes, look at that. Stunning. Love that. I love that. Alrighty, then what else do we have in here? Oh my god. So there's one other thing in here. Stop it. What is this? What is it? What is this? What is this? It's got dinosaurs on it. What is it? Oh my god. What is it? What is it? Is it a jumper? What is this? It's a dress? Oh my god, is it a jumper dress? Oh. Oh my god, yes, what the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, this is getting put on my body now, right freaking now. I'm obsessed. This is the greatest freaking thing I've ever worn in my life. Oh my god, oh my god. Look at it. Look at the freaking patterns. Oh my god! This is so freaking cool! Oh my god, I love it! Oh my god, I wish I actually like had my face done and looked better, because I'm just like, oh my god, I am obsessed. This is stunning. This is so stunning. Oh my god, Ellie, you have outdone yourself, honey. I don't even know what else to say. I am so like, this is so comfy as well. Oh my god, I love it. I'm obsessed. This is great. I'm never gonna take this off. This is the greatest thing I've ever worn in my life. I'm gonna wear this all day. I'm like, yes, I love this. I don't even know, is it a dress? Is it like a top? I don't know, but I'm obsessed. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. And I love my little dino. And I love my Trixie. Oh my god, I'm so spoiled. Ellie, you've spoiled me so much. Oh my god. I can't deal with how much you've spoiled me. Wow. Wow, let the wars begin. Let the present wars begin. Oh my god, I'm so freaking blown away. Thank you so much, Ellie. Thank you so much for everyone for watching. And oh my god, if we got this far, Oh my god, write oh my god in the comments. Oh my god, I can't deal. Thank you so much, Ellie. Oh my fucking god. Oh god.